Hey taters, good morning. Say good morning. Let's go to Italy. This is so crazy. Okay, I have to put the camera down because otherwise I can't roll my suitcases. I'll see you taters at the airport. Okay, we just got through security and we're about to board. Chili's. Okay, hi guys. We are in Chicago now. We're in Chicago
right now, and we are we're waiting to board our flight. That's taken about 12 hours.
We've been here since noon.
Not this angle, sir. Thank you.
We've been here since noon and it's 6:26 right now.
A little.
So we've been here for 6.5 hours.
Yeah, and 2 more to go. Then basically
we board in
9 after that, plus 2 more. So aka 11.
Yeah. We board at 8:25. And so we literally have 2 more hours and then we board.
And our AirPods won't work, so we can't even watch anything.
Yeah, we were trying to watch Hannah Montana, the movie.
But it's not working.
On my MacBook, and then our AirPods didn't work.
Yeah, pretty much, so we're just here. Okay, bye.
We'll see you guys on the airplane.
Going?
Yeah.
Okay, well this is, knock it off. This is my squishmallow that does go with me to travel. She is 30, I think she's 16 inches, and it's hot chocolate. And her name is Marshina. I didn't come up with the name, Squishmallow did, so not copywriting. Anywho, she's been through it today. We had to clean her off after going through security because she was a little black, and she still has that right there if you can see. But yeah, Marshina, take a sip. Love. We're at our gate and the flight before us is going to Delhi, India. I think that's how you say it. And it's a 15-hour flight direct, which is insane. Right. But now our flight should be next. Let's hope. Otherwise, we're at the wrong gate. We walked around this airport like 3 times today, so we're okay. Can you not, like, it's literally your sweatshirt, it just like blends in with the wall. There, now she's working good. Wait, we should make a thumbnail. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, we're done. We're done. We're done. We're boarding. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Oh. She's ready.
Started?
Yeah, it's going.
Oh.
Mukbang with Lara.
Hello guys! First day in Italy! Not even. It's like first 2 hours in Italy and first 5 seconds in Verona. In Lara's house. We don't have what is the name of a dryer? We dry the clothes like that in Italy, guys. This is like, I don't know, it's kind of messy. I think it was windy a little bit, but and then we have prosciutto. That's my favorite. And then we have a lot of stuff, guys. We like a little, my kitty, I call him kitty cat killer.
Do you have a cat?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, I don't know where the fuck he went. He go out. We're eating bacon.
That's not bacon.
I know.
Oh.
I'm kidding. But you just thought.
Oh, we haven't updated like since the flight. The flight was super long, and
It was bad.
me and Zoe never went to the bathroom once, and we never
Me
like
either. I
took a
never
stretch
go
break.
pee in the bathroom because then I flashed the water and it fucking scared me every time. It's
Like-
so loud. Otherwise.
But yeah, now we're in Italy.
Let's make a cigarettes, guys. Can I do a vlog on how to make a cigarette? Yeah.
Sure.
Like from the border of Mexico, look what they what they give me. From the border, like it's illegal here.
Wait,
it's
really?
cancer.
Oh.
Give you cancer, some things. Like
And we
better
brought
white teeth than cancer.
her Reese's.
And raisins. Woo 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 woo.
Yeah.
Oh, oh. Okay. This is my vlog how to roll a cigarette.
Okay. This is just Lara's vlog now. It's not even mine.
Hi guys.
So he's
Welcome to how to
cancer.
roll a cigarette. So we have the filter. Filter.
Wait.
Then we take
Start now.
a rolling paper. What is that? This tobacco is like, oh, like before I left for Florida, I had it. So it's 1 year old. But tobacco doesn't get bad, guys. Maybe I have cancer. We never know.
It's fine. The hospital is right up the street.
Then
so.
we roll and then we close it. Put the filter. We roll it up again a little bit. And then we roll it in. I'm a good roller. And here my masterpiece. A cigarettes. That's it. Thank you for watching. Welcome in Europe.
Okay, I'm giving you guys a house tour, even though it's not my house. So that's like the front area, front lawn. And here's the living room. That's the front door. Dining room. Kitchen. Porch. Our suitcases. Bagno. The bidet. Here's the room I'm staying in. More stairs. And then Lara's room. It's huge. Yeah, so basically I'm obsessed with this house. I'm gonna fall down these stairs. And I'm so winded walking up these. Okay, that's all. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.
Already.
Bye, taters.
Bye, takers. I'm gonna lose my head for sure.
The fact that this is like here, like how the frick did this get here?
Okay, and a one, and a two, and a 1, 2, 3.
Okay,
Okay. There's no skin. Shit. Go. And then